Alright, so I am playing around with these oil pastels from Art Philosophy. They are water soluble, and I saw someone else do a little video on them. Her name is Jody, and I figured I would come on here and start a new piece and start playing with these. I've only played with them a couple times, and you can make a whole bunch of different cool looking pieces. So I just was taking some pink here. I got a new tripod and everything, so I feel so fancy. Hey guys, I'm just playing around with some oil pastels, and it's so much fun. I've worked with them a couple times, but not like in super detail. But you can go over them with different colors. Like if I use the white over the pink or the blue, it changes color. So I'm just having fun mixing some colors, and then what I'm gonna do is spray some water on it and blend it all out because it works really well with water. Thank you so much. I'm super excited to start my new job. So that's green. So blue and yellow mix green. So I got a cool green spot right there. This is so much fun. I love it. Let's see. Let's get some darker green over here. Yeah, today has been a good day. It's been a good week. And I think it's because I found that lucky piece of pottery on the beach. I honestly really do think, I believe in that kind of stuff. I hope this turns out pretty. Put some white on top. Have any of you guys used these oil pastels before? Let me know. Ooh, that's really pretty. You can't see that one. I put white over the green, and it made this like minty color. Okay. All right, so I think I'm at a good spot where I can, so I painted the whole thing white because I didn't know if I could just go in on top of this type of wood. So I painted it white. What you want to do is take a chippy brush and your mister bottle and spray it. All right, so let's see what happens together. I've never done this before, so. Oh, wow. It's like a rainbow. Except for I don't want it to get too muddy looking. Right? So I'm taking a brush or a rag and washing, taking off the excess of that. So look at that. Isn't that cool? It's like a rainbow. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna finish this side. Let me know if you guys have used this before. I'm trying to read the comments. I don't think I have any comments. Put some orange. Okay, so I'm just gonna mist it with some water. It's back a little bit. I'm just gonna go over once and then take the excess off. So I don't want it to be like a brownish color because that's ugly, right? We don't want brown. Okay, can you guys see that? Look at that. That is so pretty. Yes. So you can find these, oops, I lost one. You can find these on Amazon, I think is where I found them, or the Prima website. They come in the basics or a rustic color, but I pretty much did like a rainbow and it's so cool. And I did a coat of fluff underneath, Dixie Belle Fluff. And yeah, I just sprayed it with water, took a chippy brush, and just went like that. Pretty cool, huh? You can make so many cool designs. So I just wanted to come on here real quick, try it out, see what it does, because I saw Jody do it and it's amazing. So if you guys want to try it, I highly suggest just buying it. It was like $12 for that kit. So yeah, definitely go get something. I'll show you again. So cool. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do with the rest of this dresser, but there's 3 drawers right here. But if you guys don't have any other questions, what am I gonna do with the base? I don't know. I literally just wanted to come on here and see how the water pastels or the oil pastels worked, and I'll just go from there. I'll think of something. Maybe I'll put some molds, or I was even thinking about putting some gold leafing on top. You know, I really don't have a plan until I'm like halfway through my project, so. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Probably shouldn't have done that. I don't know how long it takes to dry, but pretty cool. So I'll post this on my IGTV and you guys can watch the replay, but other than that, I'm gonna go and probably paint the other side white and do the same thing. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.